So hi guys, welcome back to PiXelateD Creation, and I know that it's been a long time since we met. So today I'm back with another video, and you guessed it right, it's the Blender tutorial. So today we're going to see the basic things of how to make a clothing animation in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So yeah guys, basically this is a small kind of video because I'm only explaining the basic things that you need in a clothing animation. And if you want the advanced and explained edition, always you can comment down below and I'll make it. So as you can see, I just made a reference bed and a plane below. I'm just making a kind of animation that the bed sheet is falling from the air to the bed. For making that kind of animation, I'm just creating a plane, and you can resize and scale according to your wish. I'm just making a little bit adjustment. And yes, after the adjustment, as we are making the bedsheet falling from the air to bed, we need to add some physics to both the objects. As you guys may have noticed, the cloth in animation stops only when it hit a hard object or a solid thing. So for making that kind of physics in this blender, we need to add some physics to both the bed and the cloth. So first we need to head to the bed section, and we need to make this bed a collision object. What it does is, when a soft body or a cloth get in contact with this collision materials, it will blend according to the textures and shape of that material. So just in default it will be deselected. Just select it and that is done, and make the bed also similar. If you want, you can, that's upon you, you can make your own choice. So, and for making the plane to get in touch with the bed and to blend according to that texture, we need to change the plane to cloth. And you guys can see it is just a single plane. Okay, so what you need to do is just press the tab, go to edit mode, right click and click subdivide. Just go to the maximum, and now let's check. Oh, wait a second. Object mode is basically a small process. Okay, now you guys can see some pixels. Just right click it and shade smooth. That's it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now you guys can see some noise, some disturbance and kind of things. For fixing that, go to the modifier object, modifying properties, sorry, and just create a subdivision surface. And I will recommend you going maximum to 3 or 4. I'm just giving it 2, and it looks perfect. Let's go back, add some textures to it. I'm just adding this one, and just go to edit mode, press A, press U on your keyboard and go to unwrap. Now go to a UV editing mode. You guys can see that our texture is visible here. Just press A here, scale it. Scale it according to your wish. Go back to layout. Okay. Come back to 0 and go back to viewport shading. That's it. Now let's check our animation. And that's it. Our animation is ready. So hope you find it easy, guys. I'll just show you the render of the output now. And yeah guys, the next video will be about how to make the cloth react to the wind or some kind of physics. And if you find it useful, please make sure to like the video, then only it will be getting recommended to others. And smash the subscribe button for more creating content like this. See you in the next one. Until then, bye and have a creative day guys.